Guys, naghanap ka ba ng flashlight? Ito guys, recommended ko sa'yo. Nandyan sa Yellow Basket, bumili ka nito, tactical flashlight. Napakaganda at napakaliwanag guys. Buy one, take one, napakamura pa, tapos dalawa na yung matatanggap mo nito guys. Maganda yan guys, adjustable yan. At napakaliwanag yan guys, no? So, ayan, kita nyo naman, no? Grabe, napaganda nito guys, yan. May blinker pa yan. So, kita nyo, di ba? Napakaganda. Kapag ginunat mo yun yung, so, malinaw, yan o. Napakaliwanag nito guys, napakagandang flashlight na to. Kaya kung naghanap pa ng flashlight guys, ito guys, bilhin mo na, nandyan sa Yellow Basket, buy one take one, dalawa na darating sa iyo guys. Ito guys, pang malaki yan to, no? Tapos, yan yung blinker niya, ayan. Pag inunat mo yung dulo niyan guys, ayan o, maliit siya, no? At napakalayo ng abot nito guys. Kaya wag mo nang patagalin guys, sayang baka maubusan ka. Buy one take one flashlight, tactical flashlight, napakaliwanag nito guys. At napakamura. Nandyan sa Yellow Basket guys, pindutin mo lang yung Yellow Basket at buy one take one yan na darating sa guys. Dalawa ang makukuha mo dyan guys. Thank you for watching.